Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the CyanCloud Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a compact electronic pest repeller that is human as well as pet friendly, and it's used to repel insects as well as rodents. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box. By of course flipping each box lid open to reveal the CyanCloud Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Let's tip it out from its box and of course make sure that there's nothing else left behind, so we can set the box to the side and of course just set the pest repeller in the middle of the frame right there so you can see very clearly what it's all about. Now we can now go ahead and of course remove the pest repeller from its plastic wrapper, of course double checking, making sure nothing else is left inside of it. So I'm going to set it back down again so you have a nice clear view of the ultrasonic pest repeller without my hands being in the way or fingers being in the way. Okay, and I'm going to set it to the side as well so you can see the side view of the pest repeller. Okay, now let's take a close-up look. So as you can see, this is an electronic pest repeller. So it works by emitting an ultrasound frequency, which is uncomfortable for insects as well as rodents. So you can use it for cockroaches, flies, mosquitoes, as well as mice and rats. So in terms of weight, it is a very lightweight unit, and size wise just going to place it in the palm of my hand right there just to give you a better idea. I'm just going to move that box slightly out of the way right there so you can see nice good view of the CyanCloud Ultrasonic Pest Repeller, and it does have a built-in night light as well. I'm just going to show you the technical data as well right there at the back. Okay, so obviously this is a British or UK 3-pin plug right there, and at the front you have pest repeller or repeller at the bottom of the unit right there. Once again, side view just to show you the thickness of the CyanCloud Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. So giving you a nice overall view of the unit. So of course, lightweight plastic construction, as you can hear as I tap away on the unit, and at the front there is an on-off button for the built-in night light. So we're just going to press that again so you can hear that click right there as I press and let go of the button for the night light right there. Okay, so I'm going to give you an angled view as well of the CyanCloud Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. So there we go, nice, good views. Of this compact electronic ultrasound pest repeller. Okay, so now what we can do is plug it in. So I do have an extension lead here. Let's go ahead and plug in the CyanCloud Ultrasonic Pest Repeller right there, and then we can flip the power switch on, and right now you can see the night light come on right there. And of course we can turn off the night light as well by pressing on that button there. Oh, well, I beg your pardon. the night light was actually off, but you can see there is a dim LED that's on just to show that the unit is running. If I flip the switch off, just to show you the difference right there. So it is off now, and flipping it turns it on. And as you can see or hear, it does not make any noise whatsoever. Off, on. There's no audible difference to the human ear, and it does say that it is pet friendly as well, so that should work perfectly fine with your pets, cats or dogs, unless of course you do have a rodent as a pet, such as a mouse or rat. You might have a different result with this pest repeller. Okay, and of course the switch here, let's go ahead and press that again just to show you the difference. So it is a night light on off button right there. So I'm going to set it down and press on that just to show you the difference with the night light on and off. Of course this way as well, just so you can see the illumination from a more realistic position right there. And just go hold it up higher. So it is reasonably bright with the night light on, and with the night light off, as you currently see, there is a dim light to show that the unit is actually being powered and running. So that's the CyanCloud Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Thanks for watching and happy repelling!